Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, here's one of those IKEA silverware holders. I've seen other people make hobo stoves out of them on YouTube. When I saw it at the Goodwill store today for just $2, I went ahead and got it. Stopped by Lowe's and picked up a $1.50 worth of bolts. Let's just go ahead and put some legs under it and just see how it burns before I do any other modifications. Three steps for it to be the 3/8. Alright, let's see what it'll do. See, I don't know with all them holes in there if it's going to have the same kind of draw. You know, the stovepipe effect, to where it sucks from the bottom and just great big flames shoot out the top. So it may not be good to have all of those holes perforated all the way around completely like that. Let's see what this will do. I don't want these flames coming out the back. I'm not going to proceed on with this type of a hobo stove. I want flames coming out the top, and this one seems to want to blow flames out the sides. I want it to burn like it's burning now, with all these flames coming out the top. And this type of hobo stove is going to allow it to do this more frequently than something that's perforated all around like that. We'll keep it though. We'll keep it and use it. Something interesting to note also, the very bottom of that is perforated just as much as the sides. So you would think there's a lot of hot ash under the stove. There is no ash under the stove. Or the little bit that dropped out is just blowing away, but you would think there'd be hot embers falling out on the bottom. Nope. The reason I use 3/8 bolts for legs to give it a little bit of weight on the bottom so it wouldn't be so top heavy and want to turn over on me. I could slide it around without it turning over on me. Let's put it, well, it's got all them hot coals in there. Let's put it in the Hobo stove. So none of them hot coals will get away from us. We'll catch you on the next one.